just disappear. We've got to get a little out in here. And you and I be okay. Whoa, giving all to the flame.
I'll try.